Prime Minister Anthony Albanese has just announced changes to the Stage 3 tax cuts that were planned from 2022, inciting every Australian media company and the Liberal Party to immediately accuse him of being a liar and breaking his promises. Well, why don't we actually have a look at the changes being made and who they benefit? As Albo said himself, every Australian taxpayer will get a tax cut from July 1st. The latest changes are more beneficial for Australians earning below $135,000, meaning lower and middle income earners. If you're earning between $19,000 to $45,000, your tax rate will go down to 16% for every dollar instead of 19%. If you're earning between $45,000 and $135,000, your tax rate will go down to 30% for every dollar instead of 32.5%. The major changes that are happening will be for those earning between $135,000 and $190,000. The former LNP government promised to abolish their tax rate of 37%, something that Labor agreed to at the time but has now reversed their decision on. Additionally, anyone at the top marginal tax rate will be taxed at 45% for every dollar. While that percentage has stayed the same, they actually lowered the limit to include anyone earning over $190,000. In basic terms, if you're not earning over $130,000 a year, you're going to be better off with the new tax plan. And if you're earning that much a year, well, congratulations anyway. While Labor may have changed a goal that they came to the election with, it's a necessary one to help those struggling with the cost of living crisis, as conditions get worse and worse for those who simply cannot afford to get by. As Albanese said himself,
"My job is to respond, to seek advice, and then to make a difference, to make the right decision, not the easy decision." This proposal will be all about supporting Middle Australia. We know that there are cost of living pressures on Middle Australia, and we're determined to follow the Treasury advice to provide assistance to them.
If you're still confused at all or are angry about this broken promise, have a look at this chart. It shows exactly how much money you'll be saving no matter what bracket you're in. If you're a lower earner, you get more back. If you're a higher earner, you get less back than originally planned, but you're still getting a tax cut. And if you're still angry, then maybe consider the fact that people need this. And maybe we can focus on helping each other out rather than yelling about broken promises while someone earning $250,000 a year gets a tax cut of only $4,000 instead of $9,000.